Val Cenis is a hidden gem and a fantastic choice for a relaxed ski holiday. It is a simple, quiet place. While the restaurants are basic, the resort is perfect for those who want to ski all day without crowds or high costs. A day ski pass for adults starts at €34. Val Cenis is not for nightlife or luxury hotels. It is located in the French Alps near the Italian border in the Maurienne Valley. It is easy to reach by car with several airports nearby. It has 125 kilometers of slopes and is quieter and cheaper than many other ski resorts. The slopes are great for beginners, families, and intermediate skiers, with options ranging from easy green runs to more challenging off-piste areas. Even during busy times, the lifts have short waiting times. Accommodation, lift passes, and ski rentals are budget-friendly. Many places to stay are ski in, ski out, making it easy to get on the slopes. Check out more video links in the description on where to ski in the Alps, and I hope they help you to choose the perfect ski resort. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please share it with someone who you think will get value out of it. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on your travels. Enjoy skiing and see you next week for more Ski in the Alps videos. Bye!